Heyo, welcome back to Basic Home Cooking. I'm excited to get into today's recipe, which is a guest recipe from a dear friend out in San Diego way. Shout out Allison, shout out Allison. That's right, my friend sent me this white bean chili recipe a little over a year ago. It's been sitting in my inbox and I was thinking what to make, and then this was just calling to me. So that's what's going down today. We got the prep all sorted out. So without further ado, let's do this. Abracadabra, just like that, it looks like we have another winner. White bean chili, who knew? You know, I can't tell you why I didn't get around to this sooner. I think what really did it for me was the recipe called for using like a can of the Ortega chilies, you know, those green chilies like here or there, or Salsa Verde. And you know, you boys got that Salsa Verde recipe on lock. Link in the description. And so I ended up using that as the salsa flavoring for this particular recipe. I did adjust it to use less serranos and more jalapenos. So I used about a 1/4 pound serranos, 1/4 pound jalapenos to make it a little more mild. Something that wasn't included in the recipe was the can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. And I think it worked out well. I did like it. Number one, I mean, just for the color, you have the green from the green pepper, the salsa, and this could almost be like a Christmas chili, if there is such a thing. Even though I know we're early, it's a little early, so don't quote me. But overall, I think this is I got food for the week, so super stoked. It's a hearty meal as the weather gets a little colder. And if you're looking to explore some chili, I'll be honest, this is my first chili recipe or attempt. I've never cooked chili. I've never done a chili thing, so I wasn't even really sure what I was aiming for, what to expect. But you know what? If you have not explored it either, then you should definitely get in there. Once again, big shout out to Allison out there in San Diego. Thank you very much for the recipe. Hopefully the modifications still kept the integrity of the recipe intact. And on that note, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep on cooking.